I know it wasn't really an official opening of the trail, but I did notice that there were a lot of people out there last weekend, and so I availed myself of the Coastal Trail on a bicycle and really enjoyed the ride. It's absolutely spectacular. Everybody that I saw had big smiles on their faces. There were photographers out there, there were families, there were people that actually took picnics and were sitting on the benches. This is really an absolutely fantastic thing that we've done here, and I'm just proud to be a small part of it. I think the city has really done a great job, and so when we criticize some of the things that happen here at the city level, we have to recognize when there's a success, and that is really a success. I can't wait till we actually get that open. That's going to be fantastic.